Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Snapchat on your Apple Watch. Snapchat recently launched a dedicated app, allowing you to stay connected right from your wrist. We'll cover how to receive and quickly respond to chat messages, making communication more convenient. This guide will help you understand the current functionalities and important limitations, ensuring you make the most of this new integration without needing to constantly check your phone. 3.8. To begin, make sure your iPhone has the most recent version of the Snapchat app installed. Your Apple Watch should also be running watchOS 9 or a newer version for compatibility. You can then install the Snapchat app directly from the App Store on your watch or by using the Watch app on your iPhone. Remember to enable Snapchat notifications within the Watch app on your iPhone to ensure you receive alerts on your wrist, setting you up for seamless communication. 5.7.12. When a new chat text message arrives, you'll see a preview directly on your Apple Watch. You can quickly reply using several methods: the on-screen keyboard, scribble, dictation, or by selecting an emoji. To view the notification, simply tap the banner or raise your wrist for a long-look view. Keep in mind that you can only preview the first 100 characters of a chat text, and this functionality applies only to new, incoming messages, not older conversations. 3.5.8. It's important to understand the current limitations of the Snapchat Apple Watch app. You cannot view snaps, browse stories, or see Bitmoji directly from your wrist. The app also doesn't allow you to use the camera or access your older chat history. For the complete Snapchat experience, including all media content and full conversation history, you will still need to use your iPhone. The Watch app is primarily designed for convenient, quick text-based replies and notifications. 1.5.8.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.